Hello and welcome back to my channel. Repairing small dents and scratches on your car yourself can save you a significant amount of money. Here are some detailed methods, real-life examples, and recommended products to assist you in the process. Please subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Let's get started. Boiling water method for plastic bumpers. Steps: 1. Boil a pot of water. 2. Carefully pour the hot water over the dented area of the plastic bumper. 3. Reach behind the bumper and gently push the dent out from the inside. 4. Pour cold water over the area to set the plastic back into place. Example: a driver noticed a sizable dent on their plastic bumper after a minor collision. Using the boiling water method, they were able to restore the bumper to its original shape without any visible damage. Note: this method is effective for plastic components and may not be suitable for metal parts. Plunger method for larger, shallow dents. Steps: 1. Dampen both the dented area and a clean plunger to create suction. 2. Place the plunger over the dent and press firmly. 3. Pull the plunger with steady force until the dent pops out. 4. Repeat as necessary. Example: a car owner discovered a large dent on their car door caused by a shopping cart. Using a standard household plunger, they successfully removed the dent, restoring the door's appearance. Tip: this method works best on larger, shallow dents on flat surfaces. Hairdryer and compressed air method for metal dents. Steps: 1. Heat the dented area with a hairdryer set to high heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. 2. Immediately spray the area with compressed air held upside down to release CO2, cooling the metal rapidly. 3. The rapid temperature change may cause the dent to pop back into place. Example: a motorist used this technique to fix a small dent on their car's fender. The combination of heat expansion and rapid cooling effectively restored the metal to its original form. Caution: ensure not to overheat the paint as it may cause damage. For more stubborn dents, specialized dent repair kits can be highly effective. One recommended product is the QUIXX Dent Repair Kit. This kit includes a bridge dent puller, various pulling pads, a hot glue gun, and other necessary tools. It's designed for easy DIY use and is suitable for most dents in flat body areas. For example, a user reported successfully removing a dent from their car's hood using the QUIXX Dent Repair Kit, avoiding an expensive trip to the body shop. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. The toothpaste method is quite effective for light surface scratches. First, apply a small amount of whitening toothpaste to a damp microfiber cloth. Gently rub the toothpaste into the scratch using circular motions. Then wipe clean with a separate cloth and inspect the area. Repeat if necessary. For instance, a car owner used this method to diminish the appearance of minor scratches on their vehicle's door handle area, resulting in a noticeably improved finish. Just a note: this technique is best for superficial scratches that haven't penetrated the clear coat. Magic eraser method. Steps: first, dampen a magic eraser with water. Then, gently rub the scratch or scuff mark with the eraser. After that, wipe the area clean with a microfiber cloth. For example, a mechanic demonstrated removing scuff marks from a silver BMW using a magic eraser, significantly improving the vehicle's appearance. Just a word of caution: magic erasers are abrasive. Use them gently to avoid damaging the paint. For more noticeable scratches, specialized products can offer effective solutions. Recommended product: T-Cut Scratch Remover, available for around €5.99, is effective in concealing scratches on cars and other surfaces. It's suitable for all paint colors and can also remove oxidation, grime, and tar spots. For instance, a driver used T-Cut Scratch Remover to successfully conceal scratches on their vehicle's door, restoring its original look. A tip: always test the product on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't adversely affect your car's paint. Additional tips. Preparation: always clean the area thoroughly before attempting any repair to ensure the best results. Patience: take your time with each method, especially when using abrasive materials or heat. Safety: wear appropriate protective gear, such as gloves and safety glasses when necessary. By utilizing these methods and products, you can effectively address minor dents and scratches on your vehicle, maintaining its appearance and value without incurring significant costs.